plane story. After saving a plane from crashing the last time, President of the Roblox States has invited you and your friends to an exclusive celebration flight. How could something possibly go wrong? So guys, today maglaro nga pala tayo ng Airplane Story Part 2. Bago nga pala tayo magsimula, huwag nyo nakalimutan mag-subscribe. Let's go! Guys, nandito na nga pala ako. Nakapag-book na ako ng flight. Let's go! Hello guys, nandito na nga pala ako sa plane. Let's go! Hanapin na natin ang ating upuan. Saan na? Ito sa akin. Airplane 2, the story. Tara, punta tayo dito. Ay, wala. Ano to? Ha! Grabe. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome back. Airplane 2. Ba't yung airplane nila gawa sa kahoy? Dito, tignan nyo, gawa sa kahoy. What? Ito, gawa sa kahoy. Di ba dapat metal yan?
My name is Kaylee. I will be your pilot in this flight.
Okay, sige, tignan mo tayo.
As you can probably tell, this is not a regular plane.
Hey, grabe. Ginagawa mo dyan, nakatayo ka sa ano.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Uy, may nag-leave.
I welcome you to the 911 Presidential Aircraft.
Oh, mga gulay. Oy, di mo yan upuan.
You heard right. The President would like to celebrate personally with you guys. We saved an airplane last time.
Yeah. Uy, nandito ka na naman. Floating tomato. Nakita ko to nung last eh. We still don't understand how the captain lost control that time.
Anyway, you saved the day and that is the reason why you were here.
Uy, ang ginagawa niya.
Alright, enough chatting.
Grabe. Hindi pala ito normal na airplane. It's made up from wood.
Please find a seat that has a golden label with your name on it.
Oy, bacon, bumalik ka na sa seat mo, mamamatay ka dyan. Doon. Ang ginagawa na ito. Ginagawa mo, ba't mo sinisira yung pintungan yan? Uy, bawal yan. Patay ka boy. Uy, umikot-ikot siya. Nasaan siya? Uy, namatay siya. Namatay.
Did we just do a barrel roll?
Yeah. Namatay eh. Ang kulit kasi.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Uy, puro anime yung ano nila. Name.
I have been informed a president agent is waiting for you in the next room. Please find him there for further instructions.
Tara. Uy. Ito guys. Uy. Mga secret agents yung mga ano. Mafia. And remember, no one should know about this. Yun. Uy, grabe maglakad. Umiikot, gumanon.
Did anyone else see that?
Ganda ng view. Welcome to the presidential airplane. Okay mo na eh. And congratulations for what you have done. Your country is great. Okay. Follow me to the next room. I will give you some instruction. Okay. Hey, blakan mo ito na naman. Look, galing mo maglakad na paano yun? Lagi, slide. Ooh. Lagi. President is getting ready. He will meet you in the dining in a couple of minutes. Uy, talon kayo ng talon dyan. Ay, baka mabasag yan, oh. Grabe, tingnan mo. Mababasag yan. Uy, baka masira yung grabe. Tiba naman na ito. The president's please do everything and they do not cause any patip kano ko to. Tumba ko to. Please. At all, tumba natin to. Why don't you guys grab a glass of water? Tutumbak to, wait lang. Tarap. Hoy, ayaw eh. Club. Uy, nasira! Uy, patay. Uy. Oh no, I'm so sorry. Uy, buti, hindi ako yun talaga. Look at this mess, the president is go. Be so much. Oh my gulay. Oh my gulay. Please find something to clean this mess. Saan? Ano kaya? Or else we'll have to lock. Oh, patay ka, boy. Buti wala akong ginawang masama. Uy, ba't mo yun ano? Alo. Sige, tutulungan na kita. Paano ba to? Nakaano pa hindi pa siya clean. Tignan mo. May naka-battle pa dito. Ito, basag. Basag din oh. Basag. Daming basag. Basag na basag oh. Patay kayo. Patay kayo. Miss Tomio. Patay ka. Ah, ano na-account ako. Uy, Mr. President. Dito ba? Ay. Oh, no. Ano. Tara, let's go. Let's hit, man. Let's hit. Build that quick. Saan? Uy, grabe ka naman. Kakadating lang namin. Kakadating. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry. The habit. May ano dun, may luto. Anyway, welcome to my airplane. Maraming airplane na, napakalawak. Napakalabas. Yun pa rin yung floating medkit. My name is Ronald. I'm the resident of the Roblox. You must know you are here for this mission. Ako lang yung natira ng airplane yun eh. Bakit sila nandito? I don't know these guys. Yeah, delicious minutes. Sorry to interrupt. Grabe yung airplane to, napakalaki. The food is not ready. Oh no! I believe the chef messed up. Oh no! Not that. What? Throw that chef off this plate. Oh my gulay! Grabe ka naman. Oh my gulay! Uy! Oh my goodness! I'm not a good chef, bro. Oh my no. Oh no. Baka i-re-record ko ng video natin ah. Oh no! Patay tayo dyan! Hindi ako... Oh my goodness, bro. Okay, I'm dead, bro. I'm dying, bro. I'm gonna die, bro. Ano gagawin ko? Bro, what am I supposed to do? 11C. No. I will tell you the ingredients and you have to find them and drop them. Oh, I don't care. Bilis. Oh, bilis na. Na-pressure to, bis. Di ako marunong na ito. If you grab the wrong ingredients, throw it in the trash can. Okay, I know. Oh gosh. Are you ready? I'm not. Time to cook. Oh no, bro. Why do you have to do this, bro? The soup needs grapes. The soup needs cabbage. Oh. The soup needs eggs. Saan yung eggs? Ito. Ayan na, inaayos ko. The soup needs tomato. Ito ng tomato, ito lang. Uy, drop. Yo! Kala ko. The soup needs egg. Okay. Grabe naman mga itlog to. Laki para dinosaur eggs ah. Nice! Grabe yung itlog yan. Napakalaki. Parang itlog ng dinosaur. Grabe. Uy, ano to? Yan na yung soup na ginawa ko. It looks delicious. Yes, of course. Kasi marunong talaga ako magluto. Marunong talaga. Uy, ba't di ako na... Oh my goodness bro, nakakaba na ito. 4, 3, 2, so, ano to? Ba't may butter? Kasi yung butter? Ano yun? At ang dami namang supit. Parang 4 lang tayo dito. Tapos yung isa doon di ko nakain. Hindi ko naman ginawa. Okay, ano gagawin natin? Uy, yan. May poison na tayo nagawa ko. We hope you enjoyed the soup. President had to leave early. Bakit? Parang libre na sa airplane siya. Please follow the path to the computer. Oh, computer. Oh, computer. Let's go. Let's see that. Saan? I like. Oh, hindi naman ito yung computer eh. Doon pala doon, hindi dyan guys. Dito. Mali. Computer room. Eto. Nandito kagad eh. Let's go, let's bring some Roblox, bro. Okay, lalaro pala tayo ng Roblox. Let's go. President waited in order to protect the president. We created a secret code that unlocks the door. Yo, now you must try to figure out the code. Good luck, hackers. Uy, umupo ka, boy. Uy, red. Uy, red nga, red. Red. Uy, mayusin nyo. Napaka di marunong itong mga kasama ko, men. Ako na nga lang. Red, where's the red? Where's red? Uy, red. Nasaan ka, red? Walang red, ayun. Nice. Super easy, super easy. Aray ko, Yo, what's up, dude? What's up, Mr. President? Ay, nandun na naman yung, floating tomato na sinabi ko ng, floating medkit pala. 25 Robux ba, Okay. Ay, nandito kayo. Paano na lang? Ito. Haunted. Yo! Ba't may nakasulat dito? Haunted. No. May nakasulat sa haunted. Sabi mo nga yan. Haunted. Anyway, I will let you see. For some reason, I can't find the key. Can you look for them? Ikaw may-ari na ito. Hindi mo alam yung nasa susi. Those around this room. Ay, ang bilis Ang bilis mo. Grabe ka. Uy, pilot room. Wait. Let's open the door. Oh, natiba ako yun. Ano na to? Team. Oh! I know. Siya siguro. Haunted. Him. Ibig siguro si... Wait. Oh no. I'll give you guys time to get something. Haunted him. Wait, hunted siya. Hunted what? I don't get it bro. Let's go. Uy, grabe excited mga kasama ko. Oh, ang ganda ng view. Let's see. Yo, yung laki ko talaga yung tunay na airplane. Hindi yung gaya ng may malaking box sa gilid. Ano yun? Uy, ba't di ko naman Uy, nakatulog na karakter ko. Uy, woke up. Baka bit-to-bit ako nagising. Uy, may smoke.
It's nighttime already. I can't sleep. There is something about this flight that scares me.
Ito, him, siguro. Ay, nawala.
Guys, the curtain.
Saan? Ano yun? Ano to? Anong lugar to? Wait lang. Yo! Nandito na naman sa... Oy! Kamusta? What's up, buddy? Tanda mo pa ako. Sinave ko pa nga pala yung flight. Yung plane.
Oh no, it's the monster!
Tara, alis tayo. Did you forget about me? Sorry. Hindi, tanda. Oy, takbo, be! Takbo! Uy, namatay, no! Tumakbo ka lang! Oh my gulay. Bilis, takbo, takbo, takbo. Takbo! Bilis. Uy, nasira ito ba yung ano? Fire, we need to run. Takbo! Bilis, 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 bilis. Saan? 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 Dito ba? Dito ba? Dito ba? Oh my goodness. Oh my gulay. Oh my gulay. Storage, storage, storage. Pew! 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 Woo! 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 Grabe. No way. Dalawa na lang kami natitira, no. Namatay yung isa. Oh my goodness. May nakasulat pa dun. Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun nakasulat?
Are we safe na?
May nakasulat dun sa gilid. Ayun mo. May nakasulat. Ayun mo. May nakasulat. Uy! Oh my goodness. Buti pala di ako nagstay dun sa baba. Muntik na ako dun. Oh no. Patay tayo dyan, men, ma'am. Uy, ano nangyari? Nangyari. Wait lang, oh. May sulat. Do. Do what? Do. Do anong do? Hunted him, do. Do what? Siguro ang hunted yung president. Kasi may nakalagay sa desk niya kaganina sa baba. Him.
Guys, the phone is ringing.
Ano guys, dalaw lang tayo dito.
We should pick up.
Yeah, we definitely should. Let's go.
Hello? Who's there?
Ako maba.
Ako mabaho.
Ikaw mabaho. Oh my goodness. Something there.
There's something terrible happening on this plane.
Do.
You don't say. I can't tell you much through the phone. I need you guys to come to the private cabin.
Alright. Let's go, bro.
The problem is the door is locked. Just give me a minute while I try to unlock it.
Do what? Do anong do?
Get closer while I do that. But be careful, the monster might still be around.
Oh no, bro, feeling ko may ayabahay feelings na habulin kami ng monster na yun. Takbo, men, feeling ko lang habulin kami, men. I'm scared. You will not escape this time. Uy, huwag ka dyan magtago. Tara na.
Oh no, don't let him catch you.
Oh no. Oh no, I think oh, ayun. Takbo. Takbo, men, takbo. Takbo. Wow. Marceline. Marceline. Marceline, man. Whoa. Get joke, buddy. Get joke. Oh. Hinahabol ako, man. Abuli mo siya. Ba't ako nang hinahabol mo? Nasaan na siya? Ah, nawala yung master. Nawala. Oh my goodness, man. Kinakabahan ako. Bawas na siya, oh. Ah! Oh my goodness, man. Oh my goodness. Takbo lang, man. Takbo. Ba't ako lang inahabol mo? Abo, may galit ka ba sa akin nung ano? Sinave ko kasi yung plane kaya may galit sa akin.
The door is open, get in.
Pilot room? Pilot cabin? Wait, ano? Ay. Oh my goodness, puro nakakabato, men, nakakaba, as in, sobrang nakakaba siya, men, nakakainis, nakakaba.
Great, everyone is here.
Alright.
What is going on? We saw that monster again.
Yung airplane mo na ano, ito mas maayos na airplane.
Did he follow us here?
Pwede pa kayo mag-drive? Eh, hindi, wala ng buttons. Paano ka nagda-drive na ito? Wala kang buttons. Wala ding ano, no?
I made you come here.
What? Are you... Oh, okay, may trust issue na ako sa'yo ngayon. May trust issue.
I knew there was something wrong here. The good news is, I'm not just a pilot.
Huh?
I'm also a secret agent. I've been there all out about this monster.
Ooh.
He wants just to be a human.
Ooh.
But he had no friends. As a matter of fact, no one ever liked him.
Oh.
And there was something about planes. He was always so obsessed with planes.
Oh.
In a scary way.
Oh, nah.
He liked to read news about plane crashes.
Oh, that's messed up, bro. That's messed up. Yeah.
So he tried to make a plane crash himself.
Oh, nah.
Luckily, he died of a heart attack the day he was about to do it.
Oh.
His spirit is still chases people like you guys.
Ako tinatarget niya eh, kasi once nung sinave ko yung ano eh.
Because he believes that you person.
What? What? Hindi to. Ito talaga yung nakanting ako nito. Ito. Ito talaga yung nakahunting sa akin eh. Hindi yung master na. Itong medkit na to eh. Since Airplane 1 pa, ito yung nakahabol ako nito eh.
Maybe the president, man, I'm not sure.
Feeling ko yung president.
Take this gun.
Wait, nakasulat. Is what, bro? Sabihin mo na lang.
Discover him, okay.
Is what? Sino? Ayaba ba? Ay, feeling na si yung, ayun yung president, man. Or even yung ano, secret agent. Gang, I'm scared. Uy, what? Ba't ikaw? Man, you will mess up, man. Ay, hindi. Ano, sige.
Alright, good luck, guys.
Di ba dapat ikaw na? Wait, may nakasulat. 2 is hunted. There you are. We've been looking for you.
It's over. We've discovered you monsters.
Bro, oh, not you, bro, not you. Wait, put that gun down. What are you doing? Oh, gang, feeling ko ito yung... Bro, no. Oh, no, matatalo ata ako. I know what of is the master. Yung president ata, you are making a huge mistake. Yung president, bro, you're not monsters. Yung president.
I don't trust you.
Ay, please. No. Oh, no. President, yung baril mo. Kinakabahan ako sa'yo. Matatalo tayo, bro. Uy, nice! Okay, tama ka pala. Sige, okay ka na.
What is that?
Sige, okay. At, okay nga, nagtitiwala nga ako sa kanya. Sabi ko yung agent, di ba? Uy, Michael Jackson, oh. Para ako nag-moonwalk.
It's been nothing since the first week. I tried to take advantage of this trip.
Uy, hello guys. Hey, camouflage tayo. That is crazy. Thank you for saving my life. Yo, buti na laro niya na to siguro, no. Uy, umiikot na yung karakter ko.
You saved the day once again.
Let's go! And then, eto ngayon, siya naman yung main character.
That was so scary. Let's go home.
Yeah.
At least it's finally gone now.
I feel like, no, kasi soul na lang yan. It's not gone.
Finally gone.
Let's go! You finish Airplane 2! Let's go! So, doon ko na nga pala tatapusin ang laro, guys. Sana man nag-enjoy kayo. Kung nag-enjoy nga kayo, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like, mag-subscribe, at click nyo rin yung bell para masuportahan nyo ako at magawa pa ako ng ganitong tipong content. Kung gusto nyo ng part 3, mag-comment na kayo. Bye-bye! See you next video. Bye-bye!